I'm Rod Kurthy, and this is the patented Perfect Repair. It quickly and easily fixes unraveling cigar wrappers and plugs any type of crack or air leak through the side of your cigar. When you puff on your cigar and you get too much air and not enough smoke, it's because of an air leak through the cigar wrapper and binder. Instead of holding your finger over the crack or hole, use Perfect Repair to seal it instantly. Let me show you exactly how to use the Perfect Repair. The fibers tend to settle to the bottom of the bottle and connect with each other, which is why Perfect Repair is so effective. So it's very important to always vigorously and excessively shake the Perfect Repair before use. Here you see an unraveling wrapper. Paint a coat of Perfect Repair onto the cigar under where the wrapper should go. Then gently rub the wrapper back down onto the cigar. Give it about 60 to 90 seconds and you're ready to start smoking your cigar again. Next, I'll use a nail to simulate a hole in the wrapper. I'll circle it with a black marker so that you can see where the hole is. And I'll use a sharp blade to simulate a small crack. And I'll circle that with a black marker also so you can easily see where the crack is. And I will even simulate a major crack. Simply dab a little Perfect Repair directly onto the area as you see here. Notice that I did not paint the Perfect Repair over the crack. I dabbed it over the crack. The Perfect Repair will work rather quickly, so there's no need to wait for it to dry. Because of the fibers in Perfect Repair, you can start smoking your cigar immediately. I know you're wondering if Perfect Repair will alter the taste of your cigar and if it's safe to use. Perfect Repair is formulated using all natural, food-grade ingredients sourced in the USA. The glue portion is the same glue often used in cigar manufacturing, so of course it doesn't alter the flavor of your cigar. But also it has tiny food-grade cellulose fibers that form a net over any area you need to seal. All plants are structurally made of cellulose. Tobacco leaves are 15 to 18% cellulose, so you're already smoking cellulose fibers. I know that you and your cigar friends will love how Perfect Repair will save the day just when you need it. Thanks for watching.